What's crazy is that first transistor I told you about is now the height of the tallest building in the world compared to me. But because we do have all these brilliant minds focused on computers, we have things like Moore's Law, which I'm sure you've heard of. It says that the number of transistors on a microchip roughly doubles every 2 years. And that's stayed about true since the beginning of the semiconductor industry, which means we have a long way to go. Okay, wow, welcome to the scale of micrometers. I am now 200 micrometers tall, which makes me about twice as tall as this human hair is thick. This is already the size of some of the tiniest stuff we're able to see using our own eyes. But yeah, a typical sheet of paper is about 100 micrometers thick. Looks pretty tall to me. A glass screen protector too, thicker than a lot of people realize. But what's crazy is that first transistor I told you about is now the height of the tallest building in the world compared to me. So here next to me now is a transistor from 1968, 20 years later. Moore's Law says that that's enough time for the number of transistors per chip to double 10 times, which means they've cut the size of a transistor in half 10 times. Now, computers in 1968 were still primarily used by governments and research labs, and were still the size of rooms and cost hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars. This is still pre-internet, but they've already come this far since the earliest days of semiconductors.